Winter is fast approaching and you need to know how to take care of your hair during this harsh dry season, especially if you're a relaxed girly. So watch this video if you want to know how to retain length, how to make sure your hair is nice and moisturized, what to do to take care of your scalp during this tough time. I know a lot of people just like to wrap it up and hibernate their hair. I'm one of those people. I definitely don't do a lot to my hair during the winter time, especially because I live in Louwsburg and it's very cold here. It is cold. It is dry. So I'm going to show you my tips and tricks and how to make sure that you survive the winter season effortlessly. Hydration. You need to keep hydrated. I know you're tired of hearing this, but this is important. You need to stay well hydrated so that your hair grows well, your hair is nourished. So my favorite type of water is coconut water. I know it can be quite difficult to drink water, especially in the winter time, but just try, jazz it up, add lemon, add something, jazz it up, but make sure you drink your water. Healthy food. You need to eat healthy food that is high in protein. That's my number one. Whatever it is, make sure it's high in protein. There's different ways of getting your protein. Eggs, my favorite is tuna, um, beef, chicken, fish. Just get that protein in your body because you all know that hair is protein. So before you put anything on your hair, make sure that you are well nourished from within. And also, you need your healthy fats like avocado, olive oil. All of that good stuff nourishes your hair and is good for your hair. Don't forget your vitamins and minerals as well. You don't need supplements. You can get all of this from food. I keep up with my fruits, my vegetables, make sure that I'm well nourished within my body. Another thing is there's no use taking supplements if you do or eating healthy if your gut is not well balanced. So to balance your gut or to get a good healthy gut, make sure you include probiotics. So these are healthy additions to just add just in case. Like I like drinking greens, especially if you're a person that does not enjoy eating vegetables. I love collagen. I swear by collagen. People say it's a fad. No, collagen is the truth. I'm telling you, since incorporating collagen, my hair has improved immensely. Now, another thing that I love to do before wash day is to oil my hair. So I'm not going to specify the oils because hair is different. The oils that I love in my hair might not be the oils that you like, but I like coconut oil. I like castor oil. I like rosemary oil, tea tree oil, peppermint oil, black seed oil. Those are the type of oils that I like. So this oil just lubricates. Oh, I hate that word. Ooh, okay. So it just prevents your hair from drying out during the washing. All right, we all know that shampoo can be a bit drying to the hair. So this is why I always incorporate a hydrating shampoo. My favorites, I have a few favorites, but I love this one from L'Oreal, the hydration range, the pink, this one. LV. Oh, I love this shampoo. Is the truth. It's affordable. It does what it needs to do. This and the conditioner, baby. I'm telling you, it is the truth. So I like to make sure that I incorporate hydrating shampoo and conditioner during my wash days, which are typically once a week. I know in the wintertime, you can get a bit lazy for wash days. So sometimes I do skip a week and wash my hair every 2 weeks, but I don't like to pass the 2 week mark because then my hair gets all tangly and matted. So I make sure that I'm up with my wash days. Nourish my hair, make sure to lather it up, and then my favorite thing to do is deep condition. I always deep condition my hair, make sure I wrap it up in plastic cap, but now I use a reusable one because I love the environment and I'm taking care of the environment. So I wrap my hair up in a reusable shower cap. This video, yeah, I was still naughty in this video, but now I use reusable caps and I sit in this thing. It's called a steaming cap. All right, I'm telling you, ever since I incorporated a steaming cap, Oh, my hair just feels so good. Even after a long stretch, and by long stretch, I mean 12 or 14 weeks. That's for me. I always sit underneath this steam cap. Every wash day, I make it a point, and this is how my hair is just nourished from within, and it feels so good. Another thing that I started incorporating this year is straightening products. So I like this K18. Yes, it is pricey. I bought this one from a retail box from they have an Instagram page and they also have a website. It is quite pricey, but I'm telling you, it is worth it. Now, when you style your hair, remember it is very important to include a heat protectant. So I use this one from K18 as well. It's an oil. I didn't like it at first. I thought, but it's so good. Leaves my hair shiny, fizz free, and it also protects against heat. Protecting your hair is also very important. Protects your hair while you're sleeping, protects your hair during the day. Protective styling. I don't use extensions in my hair like braids anymore because I found that it broke my hair a lot, especially during the takedown process. So whenever I'm wearing a duke or a head wrap, I always make sure to wear my satin bonnet underneath so that the cotton of the duke, the material that I'm wearing now over my head, the black material, so it doesn't absorb all the moisture in my hair, leaving my hair dry. So this is a tip that I can give everyone, is to wear your satin bonnet underneath your head wraps. Another thing, instead of using gel or very strong adhesive edge control to lay down your edges, use a thick moisturizing leave-in conditioner. So I use the Native Child leave-in conditioner to lay my edges, and my edges are laid for the whole entire workday. And my edges are also protected because I know sometimes people leave the gel in the hair and it can be damaging to your hair. So make sure that your bonnet is satin all around, because some of them have that elastic, and that elastic can tear your hair and you think you're protecting it, but it's actually tearing down your hair. Another thing is to make sure your hair is hydrated. I know we don't like using heavy moisturizer on our hair because when you're relaxed girly, you want your hair to be flowy and bouncy. So just spray something on your hands, a little bit on your hair, and this way your hair is nice and soft and nourished and it's not dry. Also, don't use hair wraps that can break your hair. So I like this one that I just showed. It's not too tight, it keeps my hair secure. I also use a little bit of oil at the back, the nape of my hair, protecting the nape of your hair, because that's the part that rubs on like your jerseys or all your knitwear during the winter. And once upon a time when I wasn't smart, I actually lost a lot of hair by my nape, and it looked like I had a bob cut. Ugh, I'm telling you now, it was a nightmare, but I regrew my hair. Nighttime routine is also very important. How you wear your hair in the evening. You don't know, you don't realize how much you toss and turn in the evening. So I like to oil my hair, just a few drops along the lengths of my hair, ends of my hair, just to lock in that moisture of the day. Remember, oils don't really moisturize your hair, they lock in the moisture that your hair already has. So if your hair is dry and you just pile on the oil, I don't think it does anything. So this is why I first spray my hair with the hydrating serum and then put a little bit of oil, and I never ever go to bed without my silk bonnets, even though I also have a silk pillowcase. My silk bonnets and my silk pillowcase, and I wake up with beautiful hair. So I also wrap my hair, right? So the reason why I wrap my hair is I don't normally use heat on my hair every wash day. So you saw that I was blow drying my hair. Sometimes I use heat, but most of the time the blow dry is on the cool setting, because in the winter time I don't want to be walking around with wet hair. So I wrap my hair tight like this so that when I wake up in the morning it is flat. I also wrap my hair when I work out so that the sweat, the moisture from the sweat doesn't leave it puffy. Thank you for watching.